3 2 1 9 9 5 6 4 3 0 unsorted list. How bubble sort is going to sort it? So it will start with the pass I1, I is equal to 0. So it will start exchanging I 8 with 3 if 8 is greater than 3. So yes, 8 is greater than 3. So 8 will be here. Then 8, it will check 8 with the 2. Yes, 8 is greater than, 8 will be here. 8 with 1, 8 will be here. 8 is greater than 9. No, it's not. So 8 will be at its own position. Then 9 has to be checked with 56. No. Then 56 has to be checked with the 4. Yes. So 56 will be here. Then after that 56. Then 56 has to be changed with the 30. Yes, 30 will be here. 56 will be here. 56 with the 99. So 56 will be as it is and 99 will be this. So in the past 2, then again, that means in a bubble sort, the largest number will be always and always in the first pass. It will be at the end, right? So if the list is sorted already, then and then it has to be, go with the all looping concept. That's the reason we are not using bubble sort so much, because it takes much memory inside the with the help of looping concepts. So again, if pass to I is equal to 1 now, because we are considering that it has to be, it is going to use 2 loops. We will see the practically later on, but first we are going to with the concepts. So j is equal to 0, then 1 2, it has to again restart. So 3 with the 2, yes, so 2 will be here, 3 will be here. 3 with the 8, yes, 3 will be here. 8 with the 4, 8 will be with the 8 with 9, no, 8 will be here. 8 with, then 9 with the 4, yes, 4 will be here. 9 will be here. 9 with the 30, no, 9 will be as it is. 30 with the 56, as it is. 50 with 97, 99, no, as it is. So in this way the loop will be, on the basis of exchange if the first element is greater than the second element. That means in the past one, if I say I is 0 and j has to be reset from 0th location to L minus 1 if the elements are 8, right? So this is the logic behind how we are going to sort it. So as I have given you the example, then the unsorted array, it will print as it is. Then length means how the length is. That means the length will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So length will be 8. So here if I say n minus 1, that means 8 minus 1. If I just say, that means 8 minus 1 means it has to reach to the 7, right? So that means that's the reason 0 to 7 we are saying like that it has to be. So j is from, again, every time we know the nested loop concept, we had already worked with it. So nested loop means every time j has to reset to the value 0. So every time when j has to reset the value 0 up to L minus 1. So this is the if aj, that means array of j. So array of j means what? The first element has to be checked with the second, j plus 1, then the next one, then the next one. So it has to be, and we are just swapping it. So this is the concept of swapping. We had already worked with the concept of swapping earlier. So we have to swap them. And it has to be in a one particular array, that is a array. We are not using a third array to store. We are storing at the same array, so that it will, at the end of the looping of these two, it will start with the for I 0. When I is 0, if you just go here and if you just say I is equal to 0, this time j has to be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6 and 7. When we say up to 7, that means it has to reach to 0 to 6, that is 7, isn't it? So that means every time it has to start with the I0 and then it has to go to I00, 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06 locations. So in this way it has to exchange, and this is the concept how we are going to. So in the like 2 1, then 2 has to be exchanged with 1. So 1 will be here, 1 2 3, then 4 is already exchanged. So 4 8 9 30 56 90. Even the list is sorted here, but still it has to sort it two times again. It has to, that is the drawback of your bubble sort. That's the reason we are not using the bubble sort. There are other about sorting techniques like merge sort, quick sort, heap sort, selection sort. They are the good sorting techniques, but for the beginners, bubble sort is very easy to understand how the sorting algorithms are there, right? Hope you understand the concept. If you really find this question very useful, put a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, share this channel with your friends. I'll meet you in the next chapter of programming. Till then, take care. Bye bye.